Well, so far, it's just been sprinkles, some occasional showers around. The Max Track does show green out there, but you'd be hard-pressed to really see much in the way of any kind of heavy rain as of yet. Of course, that is subject to change fairly soon. That's the Max Track at the moment. As far as rainfall amounts go, yeah, it's barely even registering so far. This is the leading edge of what has been a complex, and still is. It's just a diminishing complex of storms that just pummeled Missouri overnight. So you can see the fading remnants of it. And this is going to continue to wash out, keep quite a bit of cloud cover hanging around, but also set up some boundaries for storms to form along later on today. That colder air that rushes out ahead of these diminishing showers and storms helps focus the development of storms later in the day, especially once you get some daytime heating rolling. So we do have an upgrade from yesterday. It was just a marginal risk. Now it is a marginal to severe, or I should say slight risk for severe storms across the area for Wednesday. And tomorrow, even into Thursday, we've got a marginal risk that's mainly across our southwestern counties. I'm concerned about the heavy rain threat over the next couple of days. There's obviously the potential for some damaging wind gusts as well, and some hail, but that heavy rain threat from some of these slow-moving cells could be one of the bigger factors in the forecast over the next 48 hours. You can see some initial development getting into the late afternoon, but later on this evening, after some breaks in the clouds and daytime heating, this is where we could see some of those stronger cells starting to fire up between roughly about dinner and midnight. And then I think we'll start to see a gradual trend southeast into our southern counties through overnight hours into tomorrow morning. But with this boundary still hanging around, we could see additional development Thursday, the marginal risk for severe storms southwest, and then additional showers and storms. And any one of these, this is taking you all the way into Thursday night, could be a heavy rain producer as well. And then Friday, we finally clear out as high pressure takes over. So this is the excessive rainfall outlook from the Weather Prediction Center, and we're under a slight risk for heavy rain. Repeated rounds of rain coming through could put down inches of rain in the same location, which could rapidly lead, especially after you get hit the first time, to some flash flood concerns. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on that overnight and into tomorrow. This shows the potential for hail, where it goes purplish to kind of that gray color. You go from possible to likely. So these cells could be responsible. I don't think it's going to be large hail, but still the chances there that you could have some mixed in at times. So yet another concern to keep an eye out for with these rounds coming through. If you're an allergy sufferer, pollen will take a hit thanks to the rain. You can see Thursday it does drop down to medium levels, and it's still hickory, grass, and mulberry pollen. And then there's the temperature to talk about. We're in the 70s now. We'll likely be in the upper 70s to low 80s. Friday's high. We're going to take a shot at 90 degrees. Could be our max high of the year so far, and also vie for the record high, 91 in 1944. So a record that was set almost 80 years ago, and we're going to take a crack at it Friday. Still running hot in the mid-80s, mid to upper 80s into Saturday, but the main heat's going to be Friday. Saturday, we'll have a cold front plowing in. That'll give us some additional shower and storm chances, but this breaks down the rain chance for today. Notice how it really starts to ramp up later on this evening. I think that's when we're going to get into that better potential for storm coverage. And then again, we've got another round coming in Saturday with that cold front dropping in. Could be some strong storms overnight Saturday into Sunday. Look at the temperature drop. Mid-80s Saturday, upper 60s Sunday, low to mid-70s early next week.